Hi, Claire. Hi. Oh, can you drink your water? Can you say hi? Swallow. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say dada? Say dada. Oh no. Can you say Claire? Claire. Oh, Claire. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Calm down. Okay. Oh, that's your water. I'm sorry. Can you say water? Water. 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 Oh. What's that face about? Yeah. Can you say granny? Can you say granny? Granny. Can you say papa? Papa. Papa. Can you say Mimi? Mimi. You say London. 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 Say Papa. Can you say Tom? Tom. Papa Tom. Can you say Lily? Lily. Lily. Can you say Parker? Parker. Can you say Brandon? Can you say Wyatt? Can you say Liam? Say Liam. 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 Say Trevor. Say Cody. Yeah. Can you say Sarah? Say Krista. Oh. Can you say Claire? Hi. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? No? All right, bye. That's the end. Bye. Say love you. Love you.